you want Winston? Oh, Tony. Sorry, man. And somebody just call me every minute. Somebody just call me every minute. Oh, shh.
The shop needs some things.
Tony, remember where you leave open last night?
Yeah, I leave the window open. Sorry.
Tony, may I ask you please to focus and lock up the shop properly at night time. What the place want?
We're gonna need some cup soup, some Gatorade. I think we're gonna need some even another case of bottle of water.
All the hard liquor them still.
We're gonna need some more Jagan and more Heineken.
Alright, look around and tell me that.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's all we're gonna need. Yeah, that's it. That's all we're gonna need. So, who am I for call or who am I for ask?
Make I send one of my regular taxi them. Go send you the number.
Alright, yeah, send me. Okay.
Just tell Gabriel to we'll send the money to him account as usual.
Okay, alright.
Yeah. Later. Hi doctor, it's Denise. I'm going to do it. Yeah. Okay, see you tomorrow.